Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so I want people who are there at HO. I can see Kshitij Mittal and then I see Varshini. आप लोगों को आगे आना पड़ेगा. Who's behind Varshini? Abhyuday Singh Sengar. And आपके पीछे कौन है अभ्युदय?
सर अनिरुद्ध पाटिल ये मैडम.
अनिरुद्ध पाटिल, ठीक है. So थोड़ा आगे आओ so that and Kshitij Mittal don't take support of wall. आगे बैठो, एज पे बैठो. बहुत आराम पसंद हो तुम. हाँ ठीक है. अब मैं आप सबको देख सकता हूँ और हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू ऑनलाइन. सो चिन्मय, Caleb put on your video, Kim video and Nidhini video. And who's the moderator? कौन है? ज्योति, are you the moderator? रेखा कौन है moderator? Zoom coordinator कौन है?
मैं हूँ सर.
हाँ, so ज्योति आप थोड़ी सी देर देखना. एंड अगर 5 मिनट में इन लोगों का वीडियो ऑन नहीं होता है जो ऑनलाइन है, put them in a waiting room. Okay guys, so this class is before your Diwali, and this was supposed to be an English class to be taken by Joseph sir. Now since he is traveling for some personal reason, I'll be taking this class, but I'll not be taking English. So we'll go ahead and do mathematics. I remember whenever we met last, we did chapter 8. So now is the time when we'll do chapter 9. So हम chapter 9 करने की कोशिश करेंगे, and I hope you guys have your maths book with you. Are you carrying your maths book? जो लोग खारघर में बैठे हैं? Anyone who is not having? Anirudh, you have both books with you, maths and English. This is maths.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. And people who are at home, you must be having your maths book. Otherwise, maths book को अपने साथ में भी लो, because we'll be using that book. Okay, so coming down to this session now, this is going to be a long and a sweet session. Generally short and sweet होता है, but ये long and sweet होने वाला है because we are going to do some 3 very important concepts with respect to SAT, which is part of your SAT paper, and these 3 topics we'll largely talk about statistics. So we will delve more into central tendency, mean, median, mode. We will talk about surveys, conclusions, inferences. We'll talk about that. And we'll also talk about a special kind of data representation technique called box and whisker plot, जिसको 5-point summary या 5 plot summary ऐसे इस तरह से भी बात करते हैं. So these are 3 important agenda that I have with you. In terms of weightage, let me tell you, mean, median, mode पे couple of problems you can expect on your SAT paper when you're writing this December. References, conclusions पे 1 or 2 problems. And box and whisker plot, very inconsistent. At times you see 1 problem, at times there is no problem at all. No questions coming from box and whisker plot. So if I give you a range, anywhere between 3 to 5 problems is what you can expect from the session that we are doing today on your SAT paper, section 3, section 4. So can we go ahead? And I see Caleb has left. Please keep your videos on. That's what Jyoti says. So Jyoti, एकदम से मत put करना उसको. अगर Caleb ने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया है, उसने मेरे से थोड़ा सा टाइम मांगा था. 5 मिनट बाद, क्लास के 5 मिनट के बाद उसको वेटिंग रूम में डालना. अभी तो उसको ले लो. मैं क्लास चालू कर दूं और 5 मिनट तक अगर वीडियो ऑन नहीं होता है तो फिर आप वेटिंग रूम में डालना. Okay, Caleb, so you have not missed anything and we are about to start. So coming down to replacing the spotlight, तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आप बस ये देखो कि मेरा वर्किंग स्पेस दिख रहा है खारघर टीम. मित्तल साहब, ये दिख रहा है वर्किंग स्पेस मेरा. हाँ. So let's start with this thing, which is mean, median, mode. And let me first invite Nidhini Kothari, who I see on my screen, to define mean for us. So Nidhini, what do you mean by mean?
I don't exactly know how to define mean, but it's basically like you've given a particular set of numbers. So you have to add those numbers and then divide by the total number of numbers that are given to you.
So mean, as you have rightly identified with lot of hesitation, is nothing but the simple average. We are talking about average, where we are talking about,
Average.
Addition of all numbers that I have, where I goes from 1 to n. Let's say I have n numbers. So let me divide it by n. So summation of all numbers divided by total number of numbers gives me mean. This is average. If you guys remember, हमने chapter 8 में किया था average score for हमने दो dream school लिया था, I guess Stanford and MIT or something like that. So Stanford and MIT के बीच में we did mean score of Stanford and mean score of MIT. We did something like that and we came down to mean, and mean is as simple as this, where you add all your numbers x1, x2, x3, you add all these values going up to the last value xn, divided by n, whatever you get is mean or average, right? So this is mean. Now, Varshini, what is median? What is median?
Where's the middlemost value?
So Varshini, you have to be loud.
Sir, it's the middlemost value.
So Varshini says median is the middlemost value. Though this is correct, but this is incomplete, guys. This is not complete. So anyone who would want to add and give me the complete definition of median. ये incomplete है, गलत नहीं है. Anyone? Kim Mohite?
It's in ascending or descending order.
Right. So when you say middlemost value, you're talking about first giving it an order, give some order to the data set. This could be an ascending order or a descending order, right? बढ़ता हुआ क्रम या नीचे आता हुआ कम होता क्रम. Now, interestingly, SAT is not bilingual. So basically, ascending or descending order, either increasing value or decreasing value में उसको order करना पड़ेगा. After you have ordered the data, you are talking about middlemost value. So ordered data set, I should say, ordered data set followed by middlemost value. So first give an order to the data set. But it doesn't end here, because what if, let's say my total number of data sets are odd. Total number of data sets are odd. If total number of data sets are odd, life is very easy. मान लो I have 7 values. If I have 7 set of values, which value after ordered, after giving an order, which value will give me median? कौन सी place का value median देगा? Fourth value. तो मान लो आपने इसको अरेंज किया असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th वैल्यू. तो ये जो बीच वाला वैल्यू है, आफ्टर यू हैव गिवन एन ऑर्डर, द बीच वाला वैल्यू इज द मीडियन if your data has odd number of digits. Caleb, what happens if I have even number of data sets? I have even data in my set. Let's say 8. I have 8 data. 8 data points. How do I find median? Bolo, Caleb.
You put them in order once again, but you get 2.
You have to be loud, Caleb.
Put them in order, but you get 2 median values instead of 1.
So we will get 2 medians, not 1, right? That's what you're saying, Caleb? Not exactly. Median will always be 1, guys. Mittal sahab boliye.
Basically the 2 middle values, average of 2 middle values.
Average of 2 middle values. So what you will do is you will find n by 2th value. You will find n by 2 plus 1th value. और इन दोनों का average ले लेना भाई. So if I have 8 data points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 4th value and 5th value, place value पे जो value है, जो data है, ये दोनों लो और इन दोनों का average लेना, that will be your median. So let's say your values are, after you have arranged 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say these are your data points. So the median of this data set will be 5 plus 6, 11, divided by 2, 5.5. So median may not be one of the value in the data set. It is possible. आ गया समझ में? मिस कोठारी?
Yes, sir.
आ गया ये समझ में आपको?
Yeah, I understand.
अनिरुद्ध, वार्षिनी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And Sanger साहब समझ में आ रहा है ना सब मैं जो कर रहा हूँ? You know, the beauty is this is such a simple concept. There is nothing more to this, but when we will apply, I bet you will be taken by surprise by some of the questions that will come on SAT paper. तो इसलिए बहुत interesting है, ये समझना जरूरी है. तो median होता है middle most value, but in an ordered set. If it is odd number of values, बीच वाला value ले लो, ये आपका median हो गया. This is your median. Median मतलब बीच वाला value है, middle most value. And if it is even number of data in your data set, then take the middle n by 2th value and n by 2 plus 1th value. तो अगर 8 है तो 4 and 5th value लो, इनका average निकालो, वो आपका median होगा. Got it? Chinmay, what do you mean by mode?
The most recurring number in the data.
Sorry, come again.
The most recurring one. The most recurring.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So mode in a data set means the most frequently occurring value in my data set. वो value जो सबसे वो data point या वो data value जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आ रहा है, the one which is most frequently occurring in my data set. So if I have a data like, let's say SAT test scores on 15 points in UT 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, and 15, of course, the mode of this data set is 11. Okay. ऐसा भी हो सकता है that there's another data set जिसमें ये है. So this is a bimodal data set. इसके दो modes हैं, 11 and 15. But the good news is SAT covers mostly the unimodal data set. SAT का scope जो है वो unimodal है. आपको दिए हुए data set में mode एक ही होगा. Bimodal या उससे ज्यादा mode वाले data sets को SAT के scope में नहीं लेते हैं. Most frequently occurring mode, ordered data set में middle value, median, average, या sum of all numbers divided by total number of numbers is mean. Mean, median, mode. बोलो क्या ये इतना समझ में आ गया? तो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं क्या? Okay, मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ guys. So this is about mean, median, mode. They are basically tool for central tendency. Finding out some representative point of a given data set. ये क्लास ने SAT का स्कोर दिया, मैं ये क्लास का एवरेज मीन निकालता हूँ. So this is one of the representation of the data set of these 15 students or 12 students that I have in my class. उनका representation है, उस डेटा का ये central tendency है. Okay, चलो आगे चलते हैं. एक मिनट हाँ, let me see who all are there online. So चिन्मय, कैलेब, ठीक है, इतने ही लोग हैं. So अभी मैं थियरी बिल्ड करता हूँ and you allow me to build theory for next 15 minutes or so. एक बार मैं पूरा थियरी बिल्ड कर लूंगा, फिर हम लोग क्वेश्चंस को अटैक करेंगे. तो हमने अभी तीन चीजें देखी हैं जो SAT पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये तीनों ही पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जिसमें मीन, मीडियन, मोड 100% आता है. सॉरी, मीन मीडियन 100% आएगा. एक क्वेश्चन मीन, एक मीडियन, इफ यू आर लकी तो इससे ज्यादा. मोड पे कभी आता है, नहीं आता है, बट पढ़ना तो सब कुछ है. Let's go ahead. Let's come down to another concept of let's say percentile पढ़ते हैं. What do you mean by percentile? Anybody who can, or let me pick. Sanger, अभ्युदय सिंह.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये डिफाइन करो जरा. परसेंटाइल पता है क्या क्या होता है परसेंटाइल? सॉरी
आइडिया है.
हाँ, तो वो आइडिया शेयर करो ना.
So it's basically the position of yours, like आपके नीचे कितने लोग हैं something like that. Your position in a given set of data.
Position in a given data set. Again, you're not wrong, Abhyuday. So I know that you have some idea, guys who are preparing for IIT JEE. You know, you will know that when you say All India rank 1, तो एक्चुअली आपका कोई परसेंटाइल स्कोर आता है मेंस में जैसे 98.9 99.56 आपका ऐसा एक परसेंटाइल स्कोर आता है मेंस में। अगर आप कैट एग्जाम देंगे, आगे आपको एमबीए करना है और आईआईएम में पढ़ना है, आप एसएटी एग्जाम देंगे तो आपका एसएटी स्कोर आएगा और एक वर्ल्ड परसेंटाइल रैंक आएगा। मुझे नहीं मालूम इस क्लास में कोई सेकेंड टाइम एसएटी दे रहा है क्या, अगर दे रहा है तो उसका फर्स्ट वाला स्कोर कार्ड अगर वो देखेगा, so they will have score out of 1600, 800 में से मैथ्स का स्कोर, 800 में से इंग्लिश का स्कोर, ओवरऑल 1600 में से, and you will have a world percentile rank. But theoretically, if you understand percentile, percentile means that whatever you have total, आपने total quantity को 100 equal parts में divide कर दिया। total quantity को आपने divide किया 100 equal parts में, where each part is holding 1% of that data. समझ में आया? तो मान लो कितने लोग देते हैं आईआईटी मेंस का एग्जाम, कितने लोग देते होंगे ऑल ओवर इंडिया? एनी डेट? हाँ,
6 लाख लोग।
so let's say 10 lakh people. Let's say 10 lakh people. So many students write what do you call it, IIT mains exam. So here if I do 100 equal, of course I've arranged them now and I've done 100 equal part arrange करने के बाद, so each part is holding how much data? 10K data. तो अब जो अभ्युदय ने बोला, तो मान लो किसी का परसेंटाइल रैंक आता है 99.50 परसेंटाइल. So this means that there are 9,95,000 students below this student score. Huh? Sorry. एक मिनट रुको. Okay, so who is the one who has entered late? Ishan. Why?
Sir, there was a lot of traffic.
तुमने मुझे कुछ मैसेज भी किया था ना ईशान? हाँ, तो यही मैसेज किया था कि मैं लेट आऊंगा आज. Okay, so I was entering the class और मैंने वो देखा नहीं, but I just saw that there was a pop-up that Ishan has messaged something. ठीक है, तो मैं मैसेज क्लास के बाद पढ़ लूंगा और अगर वो जेन्युइन नहीं होगा तो फिर बाद में डांटूंगा तुमको. ठीक है, अभी तो आगे चलते हैं बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारा कुछ पढ़ना है. तो परसेंटाइल समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? मैंने किसी चीज को 100 पार्ट्स में 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया और वो ईच पार्ट इज होल्डिंग 1% ऑफ डेटा. ऑफ कोर्स ये डेटा अरेंज होना चाहिए. तो अगर किसी का इतना परसेंटाइल आया है जेईई मेंस में, इसका मतलब ये है देयर आर 9,95,000 स्टूडेंट्स बिलो हिम और देयर आर 5,000 स्टूडेंट्स अबव दिस स्टूडेंट इन अ वे. दिस इज परसेंटाइल. तो अगर परसेंटाइल का मतलब ये है, व्हाट वुड वी मीन बाय क्वार्टाइल? क्वार्टाइल का मतलब क्या होगा? गोइंग बाय दिस लॉजिक. So you are dividing something into how many parts? 4 equal parts. So you are dividing something into 4 equal parts, where each part is holding how much data? 25% of the data. तो किसी चीज को 4 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड किया और हर पार्ट में 25% ऑफ डेटा डाला. सो आई विल से दिस इज क्वार्टाइल. दिस कुड बी फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल, सेकंड क्वार्टाइल, थर्ड क्वार्टाइल and the fourth quartile. The lowest quartile, the top quartile. So quartile means this. तो अब इस कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके वी आर बिल्डिंग और वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अ मेथड ऑफ डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन विच इज स्कोप ऑफ एसएटी। तो ये होता है भैया क्वार्टाइल, मैंने जिसको परसेंटाइल से बिल्ड किया। तो अब जब ये एसएटी में आता है तो देयर इज अ डेटा प्लॉट मेथड, द प्लॉट इज कॉल्ड बॉक्स एंड विस्कर, VISHKER है शायद, वो मूछे हैं। हियर विस्कर मींस दैट मूछ, कैट और लायन की जो होती है, बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट। तो इसमें कैसा होता है that you will have a vertical, rather a horizontal box, एक horizontal box होगा। पहले आप ये डेटा समझ लो, इसके दो विस्कर होंगे, एक राइट पे विस्कर होगा और एक लेफ्ट पे विस्कर होगा। इसके नीचे एक नंबर लाइन होगी, इसके नीचे एक नंबर लाइन चल रही होगी। let's say we talk about a farm, and let's say that farm is owned by Miss Nidhini, and she is there somebody who is entering this class?
I got disconnected.
Okay, so Kim, we just started this. So let's say it's called Kothari's farm, and the farm grows pumpkin. Let's say it grows pumpkin. And on that pumpkin, over a period, we have studied and we have seen that on this farm, the pumpkin's maximum weight is something like around 20 kg. ये मैंने number 9 बनाया है. And let's say minimum weight is a 2 kg pumpkin. और बाकी सारे pumpkin का weight इसके बीच में होता है. So मैं बस build कर रहा हूँ ताकि फिर आपको ये समझ में आए box and whisker plot क्या होता है. तो बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट होता है, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल बॉक्स है, उसकी दो मूछें हैं, 2 विस्कर्स हैं, एक राइट पे एक लेफ्ट पे है। लेफ्ट वाले के नीचे टू माय लेफ्ट जो है उसके नीचे दे 0 टू माय राइट दे समथिंग कॉल्ड एज 20. दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग वेट ऑफ pumpkins growing on Kothari's farm. And on this whisker there is on this box there is some line, not necessarily in middle. ये एक लाइन है गाइस जो कि इस बॉक्स में है, जरूरी नहीं है वो बीच में भी हो सकता है या किसी भी तरफ हो सकता है, जैसा आपको दिख भी रहा होगा, इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली इन मिडिल. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डज दिस मीन. अच्छा, एक और डेटा चाहिए. लेट्स से इसके नीचे मैंने लिखा है, कुछ भी लिखता हूं, लेट्स से 12. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस डेटा. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ कॉन्सेप्ट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ क्वार्टाइल. तो जो मैंने आपको अभी परसेंटाइल और क्वार्टाइल बताया, अगर आप ध्यान से इसको देखेंगे तो ये ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, ये एप्लीकेशन है क्वार्टाइल फंक्शन का जो अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. तो अब इसको समझते हैं. तो इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया हैज 4 जोन्स गाइस. ये 4 जोन्स हैं, इसमें समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. दिस इज योर टॉप क्वार्टाइल. ये जो मैं ग्रीन से बना रहा हूँ ये एक्चुअली बना हुआ नहीं होगा, आपको डेटा इतना ही आएगा जो मैंने ब्लू से और रेड से बनाया है. ये ग्रीन से जो मैं बना रहा हूं ये समझने के लिए, दिस इज जोन 1, ये वाला जोन 2 है, दिस इज जोन 3 एंड देयर आर 4 जोन्स. नाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ये वाला पार्ट जो है, दिस इज माय टॉप क्वार्टाइल, टॉप 25% ऑफ द डेटा. ओके, दिस इज माय सेकंड क्वार्टाइल, दिस इज माय थर्ड क्वार्टाइल छोटा सा, एंड दिस इज फोर्थ क्वार्टाइल. But each zone has how much of data? 25% of data. तो अगर 100 pumpkins का ये डेटा मैंने प्लॉट किया है तो हर जोन में 25 pumpkins हैं. नंबर ऑफ pumpkins सेम है. नंबर ऑफ डेटा ईच जोन विल होल्ड विल ऑलवेज बी सेम. डू यू एग्री? ये समझ में आ रहा है? क्योंकि क्वार्टाइल मतलब 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स होता है. वो देखने में आपको इक्वल नहीं लगे क्योंकि नंबर लाइन के ऊपर प्लॉट किया है हमने. 12 will be more closer to 2 than 12 will be more closer to 20 rather than to 2. But here what I have done is we have created 4 zones. ठीक है, अब इसको समझते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. This edge is called Q1. This edge is called Q3. ये Q1 है, ये इसके कन्वेंशंस हैं. ये वाला edge is called Q3. So अब इसको कुछ नंबर देना पड़ेगा, तो वो कुछ नंबर देते हैं. So let's say this is 15, and let's say this is 8. Okay, guys. Q3 minus Q1, quartile 3 minus quartile 1. This is interquartile range. This is interquartile range. Q3 minus Q1 will be called as interquartile range. In our case, the value of this is 7. Are you with me? नहीं तो मुझे रोकना जहां पे समझ में नहीं आए. Are you guys with me? Okay. Okay. Now let's try and understand some more things. ये जो मैंने जिसको टॉप क्वार्टाइल बोला, इसमें 25% ऑफ द पंपकिंस हैं, टॉप 25% ऑफ द पंपकिंस जिनका वेट 15 kg से ज्यादा है एंड 20 kg या उससे कम है. ये मिडिल वाला क्वार्टाइल है या ये सेकंड क्वार्टाइल है. वेट ऑफ पंपकिंस इज 12 kg और मोर बट लेस देन 15 kg. 15 kg से कम. 8 to 12 यहाँ पे, 2 to 8 यहाँ पे. ये मेरा बॉटम क्वार्टाइल है. देयर इज नो पंपकिन ऑन दिस फार्म व्हिच इज बिलो 2 kg. ये सब समझ में आ रहा है? ओके. व्हाट इज दिस रेड लाइन? व्हाट इज दिस रेड लाइन? एनी गेसेस?
Median.
वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. दिस इज मीडियन. क्योंकि आप खुद देखो, ये रेड लाइन के ऊपर 50% ऑफ डेटा है, ये रेड लाइन के नीचे 50% ऑफ डेटा है कि नहीं? This red line is median weight of pumpkin on this farm, which is 12 kg. Kim, is this thing clear? Because red line के ऊपर you have 25% plus 25%. Red line के नीचे you have 25% plus 25%. और median क्या होता है? अभी हमने देखा है, डेटा को अरेंज करो और फिर उसका मिडिल वैल्यू निकाल लो. तो मतलब आधे ऊपर आधे नीचे होंगे. वापस आ जाओ बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट. अब आप थोड़ी सी देर, I'll give you couple of not couple of minutes, rather a minute. Please absorb this data. जो लिखना है वो लिखो, समझो, and then we will do small exercises to test your knowledge on this thing. ये please आप देखिए. I'll join you within a minute. Any questions you guys have here, please ask me. ये क्लियर है? बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट क्लियर है? चलो, लेट्स डू सम वर्बल एक्सरसाइजेस. विजुअलाइज करना है. डेटा ये रहेगा, ये डेटा आपके सामने, मैं चेंज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, स्पॉटलाइट पे है वो, तो यू विल बी एबल टू सी. I'll make some statements and you have to tell me whether this is true or false. Okay, so Abhyuday, first question to you.
Yes.
Abhyuday, I want you next or behind Kshitij. वो वाला रो लो. मैं तुमको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ because ये कैमरे का स्टिक बीच में आ रहा है. Or possibly Ishan can take that seat and Abhyuday can come on the edge. तुम या तो क्षितिज के पीछे आ जाओ या उसके बराबर में आ जाओ. तो guys, true and false, I'll make some statement. You'll have to tell me whether it is true or false. Statement 1. On this box and whisker plot, Kothari's farm. So let's say at most 25% of the pumpkins on Kothari farm weigh more than 15 kg. I'll repeat, at most 25% of pumpkins on Kothari farm weigh 15 or more kg. True or false? This is an open house.
True.
False.
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 False. At most, 25% of the pumpkins on Kothari farm weighs 15 kg or more. I've got only 3 answers, 3 saying false, 1 saying true. Varshni, Abhyuday, Patil, Caleb.
Say
False.
true.
Sir, false.
Sir, true. True.
How many of you say true? So let me first talk to guys who are saying true. So I know, Kshitij, you said true, right?
False.
False. True, कौन बोल रहा है? Abhyuday, Anirudh. Caleb, what do you say? Which side are you on? True. So only 3 people getting it right. अब मैं वापस बोलता हूं जो मैंने बोला और ये इस पे करते हैं. देखो जरा ध्यान से देखते हैं. What I am saying is, at most means maximum. ये तो word समझ में आता है. At most means maximum. So maximum, there are 25% pumpkins on this farm which are weighing more than 15 kg or more than 15 kg. False क्यों? भाई 25% से ज्यादा pumpkins नहीं है इस farm पे that will weigh more than 15 or 15 kg. Yes, that's true. 25% से ज्यादा नहीं है. मैं top quartile की बात कर रहा हूँ. किम, चिन्मय, निधिनी, फार्म ओनर नहीं गलत बोल दिया. बोलो समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next
Can you
statement.
explain it once again? I didn't quite get it.
What should I repeat? The reasoning.
How is it true? I didn't get it.
Okay. At most, 25% of pumpkins weigh on this Kothari farm weigh 15 kg or more. So this at most here means maximum. There are maximum 25% of pumpkins, not more than this, which will weigh 15 kg or more. So I'm talking about basically all this data set, which is true. Not because this data set comprises of first quartile or top quartile, which will have only 25% of the data. So 25% ये सारे pumpkins जो कि 25% of the farm produce हैं, these 15 kg or more, 25 भी होगा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. So this is a true statement.
Okay, I got it now.
Okay, next statement. The mean weight of pumpkin on Kothari's farm is 12 kg. The mean weight of pumpkins on Kothari farm is 12 kg. True or false?
False. False.
False.
Varshni?
False.
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 Kim?
False.
Why false? Why false?
When you calculate the mean of the given data, it's coming as 11.4, not 12.
Okay. So 12 is not the right answer because 12 is not mean, it is median. Right. Okay, then I change my statement. Third statement, guys. The mean weight of pumpkins on Kothari's farm, ये given data पे हाँ, is 11.4 kg.
True. Mean is 11.4.
हाँ मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. Mean weight of pumpkins तो बार बार रिपीट नहीं करते हैं इसको, कोठारी जी नहीं तो बहुत obvious हो जाएगा. So the mean weight of pumpkins on Kothari's farm is 11.4 kg. True or false? So I've got one as true. बाकी लोग, Caleb, बोलो, unmute, say something.
I'm not sure.
Chinmay, Kim,
False.
false.
Yeah.
Kshitij,
False.
Ishan, thinking, बोलो पाटिल, अनिरुद्ध, false. I have one true, many confusions, some false. And some people are in deep thinking mode. Kim, what are you thinking? True है या false है? हाँ?
No, I'm thinking.
नहीं तो but guys, there is no third option. Either this is a true statement or this is a false statement. अच्छा चलो, I change. The owner of Kothari farm, ये given data है, claims to know the mean weight of pumpkins from the given set of data. अरे आप मीन निकाल सकते हो क्या? आप मीन निकाल ही नहीं सकते. आंसर इज फॉल्स. क्यों नहीं निकाल सकते मीन फ्रॉम द गिवन डेटा सेट? क्या प्रॉब्लम है चिन्मय?
Sir, we don't have the complete data.
So what is missing in the complete data? मीन क्यों नहीं निकाल सकते? क्या मिस है?
Number of observations.
Number of observations are missing. I don't know how many pumpkins she is growing. Everything is in percentage, right, Caleb?
Yes, sir.
So answer is data is insufficient. And Nidini, I don't know where you got 11.4 from, and I don't want to know. I don't want to know. What I am telling you, if you have to find mean, Nidini, you don't have numerator, you don't have denominator, you don't have weight of each pumpkin, you don't have total number of pumpkins. See, what is happening is, I'm telling you that there are 25% of your pumpkins between 12 to 15. But how many pumpkin weighing 12? How many weighing 12.1? How many weighing 12.5? How many weighing 13? And what is the total number of pumpkin? I don't know. If you remember in one of our classes last time, जब हम MIT और Stanford ले रहे थे, मैंने एक absolute number ले लिया था dot plot में. और मैंने कहा था 100 students का डेटा है और हमने 100 dots बनाए थे. Remember? यहाँ पे मुझे टोटल पता नहीं है, and even I don't know कि each pumpkin का weight क्या है यहाँ पे. How many pumpkins are at 2 kg? How many pumpkins are at 20 kg? All I know is if I am producing some X quantity, उसका 25% is here, 25% is here, ये 25. So mean cannot be deciphered. ये नहीं हो सकता है. Data is insufficient. Last statement, guys, the fifth one. 75% of pumpkins on Kothari farms weigh 8 kg or less. 75% of pumpkins on Kothari farm weighs 8 kg or less. True or false?
False.
False.
Everyone? Abhyuday, you agree?
Yes, sir.
Good that you agree. So because everybody agrees, yes, this is correct. This is what box and whisker plot is. और आपने क्रैक कर दिया. एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट और करेंगे हम बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट को लेके और फिर इसको खत्म करेंगे. और वो
I just
कॉन्सेप्ट
had one doubt.
Yeah. Go ahead.
But the second quartile will always give us the median.
No. So let's say Kim, this line is missing.
Okay.
Will I be able to give you mean? No. मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा. So where is my second quartile ending? को कोई वैल्यू होना चाहिए. तो जनरली बॉक्स एंड विस्कर प्लॉट का जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है इसमें उसमें ही मिस नहीं होगा. देयर विल बी अ लाइन.
ओके.
अगर मिस हो गया तो फिर मीडियन पे क्वेश्चन नहीं आ सकता.
ओके.
बट मीडियन के ऊपर 2 क्वार्टाइल्स हैं, मीडियन के नीचे 2 क्वार्टाइल हैं, ये तो पक्का है. ओके.
Okay.
So I come down to last concept before we go on to doing problems is related to, मैंने आपको concept समझाया interquartile range. Now this is a statistic. ये सब statistics है. Percentile, quartile, mean, median, mode, ये सब statistics के concepts हैं. और statistics IB बोर्ड में बच्चा बहुत जल्दी पढ़ लेता है. CBSE, ICSE में इतने डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ता है, but 11 से चालू हो जाता है. I think 11 में एक statistics का चैप्टर आता है. तो एनीवे अब इसको थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में करते हैं. तो इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज, आई विल टेक अ स्केच पेन. इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज मैंने अभी आप लोगों के साथ डिफाइन किया, व्हिच इज Q3 माइनस Q1. ये इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज होगा, वो एज जो आपको अभी समझाया. Now guys, there's a concept in statistics called as outlier. Outliers भी बोल सकते हैं. ये इसका इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी मीनिंग पता है क्या क्या होता है आउटलायर्स? इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी मीनिंग, फॉरगेट मैथमेटिक्स और स्टैटिस्टिक्स, वोकैबुलरी टेस्ट करते हैं आपका. What do you mean by outliers? There are some people in society who are outliers.
Not fitting.
Sorry,
Not fitting.
not
Fitting.
not fitting, not fitting into what? Fitting into the clothes.
Society.
Sorry, in the society, they don't fit into the society. So something like Osama bin Laden, who doesn't fit into a society. Osama bin Laden is an outlier. In a way, yes, but more in a positive sense. If you look at outliers, are those people. So rather than Osama bin Laden, I would want you to remember, let's say, Elon Musk. You know, who would not behave exactly like everybody else does in the society. Somebody who behaves differently from the society, but अगर positive sense में लेंगे तो positivity की बात करते हैं, दिवाली festival है. So let's talk about Elon Musk rather than Osama. So yes, so in a way you are right, Chinmay. Somebody not fitting को मैं बोलूँगा, somebody behaving differently from the society. जिनको दूसरा इसका synonym होगा iconoclast. You know, people who break icons and challenge status quo. तो मैं तो vocabulary की class में चला गया. So let me pull myself back. Coming down to statistics, here it means data points which behaves differently. One data point or couple of data points or some data points behaving differently from largely the other set of data. वो एक data जो बाकी data से बहुत अलग behave कर रहा है in my data set is called as an outlier. Okay, just like Elon Musk, who's behaving differently from the society and doing something which nobody could think of, or he challenged and people were laughing at him. Similarly, outlier data set भी वो data है which is behaving differently from the large data set, उसको हम outlier data बोलेंगे. ये box and whisker plot में इसका एक छोटा सा application आ सकता है. How do you find, and that's all, बस उतना सही हम करेंगे. How do you find which data point is an outlier data point, or is there an outlier in the given data set? ये कैसे ढूंढेंगे? So statistics says, and ये theory का part है, statistics says, find out the interquartile range, IQR ढूंढो. IQR ढूंढने के बाद एक statistics का rule निकालो, which is 1.5 times IQR find करो, 1.5 times IQR को find करो. After you have done that, third step क्या है? थर्ड स्टेप है, एक मिनट होल्ड करना. थर्ड स्टेप है, मैं इसको कैसे लिखूंगा? आई शुड राइट इट आउट एज, थर्ड स्टेप इज फाइंड आउट टू थिंग्स. फाइंड आउट Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR, एक ये वैल्यू फाइंड करो. Find out Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. ये values find करो. Any value which is less than this value, any value which is less than this value, or any value which is greater than 3B value, ये दोनों values outlier होंगे. ये lower end पे outlier है, I'll call it लोअर एंड वाला आउटलायर, ये हायर एंड पे आउटलायर है. रिमेंबर, लोअर एंड एंड हायर एंड आर नॉट स्टैटिस्टिकल वर्ड, ये तो सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने बोला. तो Q1 minus 1.5 IQR करना, एनी डेटा लेस देन दिस वैल्यू विल बी अ आउटलायर. Q3 plus 1.5 IQR करना, एनी वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन दिस वैल्यू विल बी अ आउटलायर. This is all that you must know with respect to box and whisker plot.
Sir, can you please explain the second point?
Second what?
The second point, 1.5 IQR.
So you find IQR, which is Q3 minus Q1, and इसको 1.5 times. मतलब basically what I am doing is इसको 50% बढ़ाया. So let's say ये example लेते हैं निधिनी. So Q3 minus Q1, Q3 is 15. This is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Right off? 7 आएगा ना ये? तो ये आपने यहाँ पे 7 निकाला. 1.5 times IQR, ये हो जाएगा 10.5. 1.5 into 7. Now Q1, your Q1 was 8. 8 minus 10.5 is minus 2.5. Now any pumpkin less than minus 2.5, absurd value है ये. तो मतलब लोअर एंड पे कोई आउटलायर होगा ही नहीं कोठारीज फार्म पे. Q3 plus 10.5. Q3 था 15. 15 plus 10.5 is 25.5. Any pumpkin weighing 25.5 से ज्यादा is an outlier. Exception. Exceptional. Extraordinary. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Guys, खारगर में बोलो. क्षितिज.
Yes, sir.
पक्का अभ्युदय समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर.
अब now I don't know if you should call it a good part or bad part. Last two attempts से, which is October and August attempt, outlier का box and whisker plot का एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आया. उससे पहले जब ये SAT हुआ, which was March, नहीं अगस्त से पहले मई में जब SAT हुआ, उसमें एक आउटलायर का क्वेश्चन था 1. दिसंबर में क्या होगा is anybody's guess, I really don't know, but अगस्त और अक्टूबर में नहीं हुआ था, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आया था. तो बहुत ही इनकंसिस्टेंट है, कभी आता है कभी नहीं आता है. सो मैं आप लोगों से कब है SAT का एग्जाम? 1 दिसंबर, 3 दिसंबर?
3rd December.
3rd. तो 3rd दिसंबर को तकरीबन इसी समय around 2:30 I will talk to you guys to find out whether ये क्वेश्चन आया था कि नहीं आया था. ओके, बट पिछले 2 एग्जाम से नहीं आया है तो पढ़ना चाहिए मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि अब आने के चांसेस ज्यादा. तो हमने क्या क्या कर लिया? मीन, मीडियन, मोड, परसेंटाइल, क्वार्टाइल, बॉक्स विस्कर प्लॉट. बोलो इसमें कोई कुछ भी एनी डाउट्स हियर गाइस? कैन वी गो एंड डू प्रॉब्लम्स? तो मेरा एक एजेंडा रह गया, विच इज सर्वेस, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स एंड रीडिंग द डेटा. सर्वे डेटा पढ़ने का इंटरप्रिटेशन. सो कंक्लूजन, इन्फ्रेंसेस, इंटरप्रिटेशन with respect to survey. एक ये छोटा सा टॉपिक रहा है. If time permits, we will do that. आप बोलो तो मैं उसकी थ्योरी करा सकता हूँ, but I think we have been doing theory for long. We should do some problems now. Otherwise, you know, Callum will lose his total interest. Right, Callum? Questions करें? Okay. So let's do some problems. What you guys can do is you can refer your book. All of you have a book with you? Maths book है सबके पास? ओके है, क्लास में भी है. तो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर बताता जाता हूं, आप उस पे जाइए. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सरसाइज 9.1 गाइस, एंड आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व 9.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. आई गिव यू 45 seconds. 9.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 45 seconds. Khargar mein, you have to raise your hand physically for me to observe that you have got an answer. People joining online, you will have to type answer in chat box, send it privately to me. Direct message में मुझे भेजना. Okay, Abhyuday, noted. Okay, Anirudh. Okay, so I'm getting different answers. Question number 2, 9.1. कुछ NKP वाला प्रॉब्लम है. So I've got answer from Chinmay, Nidhini, Kim, and interestingly I'm getting A, B, D. ये तीनों ही ऑप्शन किसी न किसी ने दिया है. I thought this is simple one, but नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. ईशान, done? दो मिनट का क्वेश्चन नहीं है ईशान. वील स्टार्ट विथ यू. इसको क्रैक करो फटाफट. So send answer. Caleb, I have not got your answer. Send it directly to me. Chat box में type करके direct message में भेजो मुझे. In a certain school, there are K classes with n students in each class. Okay. If a total of P pencils are distributed equally among these students, okay, how many pencils are there for each student? How many pencils are there for each student? Okay, so I'll invite someone to solve this for me. तो मैं ना पहले आंसर्स ले लेता हूं आपका. Varshini, I start with you. Please announce your answer.
Option A.
हाँ?
Option A.
A. अभ्युदय. अनिरुद्ध.
Option A.
ईशान.
B.
क्षितिज.
A.
Caleb.
It's either A or B.
A or B. Chinmay, I got your answer. Kim, मिल गया answer. Nidini, I've got your answer. I think Nidini said D, and Chinmay and Kim, both of you have said A, right?
Yes.
चलो देखो इसमें confusion है क्या? Have a look, guys. ये आपके यहाँ पे सामने है. The best thing is, if you understand this problem, it says how many pencils are there for each student. Nidini, for each student. इसका मतलब मुझे per student निकालना है. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
So I should have total number of pencils divided by total number of students. How many students are there in school, Nidini?
N students.
N students. N students are there in. Read it. क्या है?
Oh, N students are there in each class.
And how many classes are there?
K.
So how many students are there in total?
K into N.
Right. तो denominator में k into n ही आना चाहिए. There is only one such option. Caleb, B will not be the right answer because it is per pencil how many students are there. Answer is option A. Now I want you to solve question number 5. Excellent SAT problem. I give you full 1.5 minutes. Please do. Excellent problem. Real SAT problem. Question number 5, exercise 9.1. Come on, guys. Done, Kshitij? Okay, 2 answers. चलो अभी देखेंगे. We'll see. Should there be a doubt? Waiting, guys. But Nidini, if you look at जो 2 options आपने मुझे भेजे हैं, if you really look at, there's one option which is merged inside the other option. So why should you have a confusion?
I'm not able to understand the question properly. So.
Okay, no worries. So shall I then, can we do this together? Are there any answers in class? And you guys can announce openly now. Any option that you think is right, A, B, C, D, please announce. Why you have to look at each other? Answer announce karo na. Bolo Kshitij. Varshini, bolo. We start with you. A, B, C, D. But that's not there in the option. Not sure kahan hai. Bolo Kshitij.
Mean 7.5
आ रहा है 7.5 आ रहा है तो only 2 नहीं है वहां पे है ना.
नहीं.
So that is the problem.
8.4, 8.5.
अभ्युदय
सर शायद ए हो सकता है.
शायद ये हो सकता है. अनिरुद्ध अभी कर रहा है. ईशान बोलो. अनिरुद्ध
सर शायद बी.
शायद, ये सब शायद लगा लो. हाँ वहां पे लिखा हुआ है शायद. बोलो ईशान, शायद कौन सा शायद?
2 मिनट.
2 मिनट. ये हमेशा 2 मिनट मांग. यू आर अ बिग फैन ऑफ मैगी नूडल्स राइट? खूब मैगी खाते हो तुम. 2 मिनट 2 मिनट. चलो कैलेब.
मैंने नहीं किया पूरा.
सॉरी
पूरा नहीं किया.
ओके. चिन्मय.
D, not sure.
D not sure. Kim not sure.
C or D.
C or A. And Nidini, A or C?
No, I wanted to say A or B, but I by mistake typed C.
अच्छा, A और B. चलो
B.
ठीक है गाइस. अब मैंने आपको बताया था ना, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. मीन मीडियन मोड का बहुत सिंपल थ्योरी है. अब देखो उसका एप्लीकेशन. सो आई गो टू माय ड्राइंग बोर्ड और रादर वर्किंग स्पेस. इसको रिप्लेस करते हैं. चिन्मय प्लीज रीड दिस प्रॉब्लम लाउडली.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Caleb, you are right, but you are tentative and you are absolutely right. अभी देखते हैं. चलो, read it, Chinmay.
Yes, sir. Consider integers and not real numbers. The least and the greatest numbers in a list of 7 real numbers.
Hold. 7 real numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Least is 2 and, or let's say ascending order में है, and most is 20. Yes, Chinmay.
The median of the list is 6.
Median. तो 7 का median आएगा 4th place पे. 1, 2, 3, 4th place. ये median है. यहाँ पे आएगा 6.
And the number 3 occurs most often in the list.
If 3 is most occurring, guys, तो 6 के left में ही आएगा क्योंकि हमने इसको ascending order में बनाया है. और ये most occurring है तो 1 से तो ज्यादा ही आना है. And the only possibility is 2. जो 2 vacant spaces है वहां पे आप 3 लिख दोगे. बोलो क्षितिज, correct?
Yes, sir.
चलो चिन्मय.
Which of the following could be the average arithmetic mean of the numbers in the list?
वो तीनों रोमन बताओ मुझे क्या है वैल्यू.
7, 8.5 and 10.
And 10. Which of them are possible mean given that ये data है मेरे पास. Let me say first 7 is correct. अगर 7 correct है तो इसको मान लो x और इसको मान लो y. Can x be equal to y, guys? क्या x equal to y हो सकता है?
No.
नहीं हो सकता, because 3 is most occurring. अगर x equal to y होगा तो डेटा का मोड चेंज हो जाएगा. और वो दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में कि 3 ही एक ऐसा नंबर है which is most occurring. तो ये कंडीशन तो है ही नहीं. x and y are distinct number where x is less than y because हमने इसको ascending order में लगाया. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's say mean is 7. So if mean is 7, sum of these 7 numbers, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 20, 34 plus x plus y divided by 7 will be equal to 7. अगर 7 mean है तो बोलो, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So can I say 34 plus x plus y is equal to 49 or x plus y is equal to 15? Anything that you have not followed till this point. ये ठीक है? अब x और y की possible values दो मुझे.
7 and 8.
7 and 8. x और y का possible value है 7 और 8. और सारे conditions satisfy होते हैं. है कि नहीं? 9 और 6 नहीं हो सकता है. 10 और 5 नहीं हो सकता है. 7 and 8. So which means 7 is a possible mean. Let's go ahead. Let's say मैं third वाला लेता हूँ. क्या 10 है possible mean? Same logic. 34 plus x plus y divided by 7 is equal to 10. Or I can say 34 plus x plus y is equal to 17. Or I can say x plus y is equal to 36. Possible value बोलो x और y का.
10 or 16.
None.
None बोल रहा है वो. कोई possible है? बोलो बोलो क्या है?
19 and 17.
Absolutely. 17 और 19 possible है. 18 possible नहीं है, but 17 और 19 possible है. तो इसका मतलब 10 is a possible mean. बोलो, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Chinmay, read again the top line of this question.
Consider integers and not real numbers.
Consider integers and not real numbers. So guys, जब भी आप 34 plus x plus y sum mean into 7 करोगे, ये हमेशा integer मिलना चाहिए, because integer plus integer plus integer will always give you integer. So how can mean be 8.5? Because 8.5 into 7 will not be an integer. वो तो आएगा 7 8 जा 56, 59.5. 3 इंटीजर्स का सम डेसिमल कैसे हो सकता है? ये तो मीन कभी पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. नाउ आई एम ऑल योर्स. पूछो इफ यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड एनीथिंग.
सर अगर आप वो फॉर्मूला लगा के कैलकुलेट करो 3
एक मिनट, ये क्या खारगर से आवाज आ रही है ना? क्षितिज? यस क्षितिज. हाँ.
3 median is equal to mode plus 2 min फॉर्मूला लगाओ तो mean 7.5 आ.
मैं आप that's precisely my question. If you read the first line of the data set given to you, आप जो बोल रहे हो वो ठीक है, but there is a constraint given in this question. Mean can never be in decimal, because 7 numbers को आप जब ऐड कर रहे हो और उससे डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो वो इंटीजर नहीं होगा. क्या इंटीजर होगा उसका सम हमेशा. You will never get a decimal. All these when you add, you will get an integer. 7 into a decimal number will give you always a decimal, क्योंकि ऊपर ऐसा दिया हुआ है. वरना x और y अगर हम decimals में लेना चालू करेंगे तो हो जाएगा काम. But question says consider in integers only. Can we go ahead? आगे चलें? नहीं क्षितिज, you are not satisfied? ठीक है. So आगे चलो, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व. ये कैसा क्वेश्चन? एक मिनट रुको. 9 वाला नहीं. हाँ, I want you to solve question number 16. This is from one of the sample papers of SAT. Question number 16 from your book Figure Skater. This problem I want you to solve. Please do. I give you 1 full minute.
So can you repeat this question?
Question 16. 1-6. Figure skater. Problem based on a figure skater. what is the lowest score she can get from any of the remaining? उसको छोटा सा एक word add करो, any of. What is the lowest score she can get from any of the remaining 2 judges if she still wants to finish first? Is the question. Okay, I've got one answer from Chinmay. क्षितिज मित्तल, स्क्रीन को क्या देख रहे हो गया क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
अनाउंस करो आंसर.
D.
D for Delhi. Okay, let's see. Is there anyone who has not understood the problem? Question समझ में नहीं आया है? So everybody have understood the data given? Good. चलो भाई, shall we? So let me first talk to my Khargar team. Kshitij Mittal has done. Ishan, 2 minutes. क्या हुआ? नहीं हुआ है अभी? ठीक है, करो. अभ्युदय,
सर अभी तक
अनिरुद्ध, वार्षिनी. Okay. Kim? नहीं. So there are only 2 people who have done this. It doesn't look. Caleb, you are still on it? Nidhini?
I'm doing it.
So why don't you do it with me? Read it loudly, Nidhini, and we do this together. Mera working space here. Chalo.
A figure skater competing at a local competition needs a mean of 5.8 out of a total 6.0 to win the first place medal. If there are 3 judges and one of them gives her a 5.5, what is the lowest score she can get from any of the remaining 2 judges if she still wants to finish first?
And what is the mean score she needs to win first place?
5.8.
5.8. 3 judges, one of them have given 5.5. There are 2 more judges. Iska score nahi malum. She needs this mean score. What is the max score, Nidhini?
6.0.
The max anybody can give is 6.0. Question says, what is the minimum score? Minimum or maximum?
Lowest score.
Of course, maximum to 6 hoga. So what is minimum any one of the judge should give? Uska minimum निकालना है हमको, किसी एक value का minimum निकालना है, minimum निकालना है, such that she wins first. तो अगर उसको 5.8 चाहिए, yeah, this is correct. So अगर उसको 5.8 चाहिए, तो cumulative होना चाहिए 5.8 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 0.8, 2.4. She should get total as 17.4. ये 17.4 में से 5.5 तो मेरे पास आ गया. So what is left is 11.9 is still I need. ये दोनों जजेस का स्कोर में किसी एक को मुझे मिनिमम चाहिए. सो लेट्स से आई एम फाइंडिंग जज J3 का मिनिमम. एक को मैक्सिमाइज करो, इसको मैक्सिमाइज करो, तो इसका मैक्सिमम स्कोर पॉसिबल है 6. लेट्स से 6 ये जज देता है. सो मिनिमम स्कोर दैट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द अदर जज, अगर यहाँ से 6 आ गया, आई नीड 5.9 क्योंकि टोटल 11.9 अभी और चाहिए. 6 मुझे जज 2 ने दिया. This judge or any judge for that matter cannot give me a score less than 5.9. अगर किसी ने भी मुझे इन दोनों में से बचे हुए में से 5.9 से कम दिया, I will not be able to top the race with 5.8. Answer is 5.9. Anyone who has not followed, let me know. Otherwise, we will move ahead. This is real SAT, a sample paper SAT. Shall we? Can we go to next problem, guys? Karga team, bolo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, एक और problem करते हैं before we go for a small break. Next problem is question number 17. Let me see if you can apply same knowledge here in a different way. Question 17. Next problem. Supermarket वाला problem है ये. Online store, sorry. Online store वाला problem. 1 minute. Least possible score from the 11th rater. Okay, that's correct. Chinmay. Good. So this is mean median mode for you. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बना देते हैं वो लोग क्वेश्चंस को. Okay, announce your answer.
Is it option?
A, B, C, D.
D.
Delhi. Okay, Kim, correct. Varshni, we still have some time. Look into your working. So Varshni, read question loudly, and then we do this together.
An online store receives customer satisfaction rating between 0 and 100 equals to. In the first 10 ratings, the store received the average arithmetic mean of the ratings for 75. What is the least value of the store What is the least value the store can receive from 11th rating and still be able to have an average of at least 85 for the first 20 ratings?
Right. So there is this online store where the value range between 0 to 100, the satisfaction rating, both values are included. There are first 10 raters. So let's say 1, 2, so on, 10th rater, 11th rater, 12th rater, so on, 19th and 20th rater. Okay, they say the first 10 ratings the store received, the average rating is 75. So these 10 people, when they have rated, the average is 75. What is the minimum score the 11th can rate such that the overall rating score, the average rating is 85. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन है, बताओ कैसे करेंगे इसको? Kim Mohite, we go with you first.
So the average mean is 75 and for the first 10 ratings, so that means the total value will be 75 into 10. So we'll have 750.
Okay,
And
so my objective is that I should get total 20 into 85, 1700 points.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, Kim.
Yeah.
I should get total 1700 points. ये तो clear है हम लोगों को? Kshitij?
Yes, sir.
Now, first 10 people have given me an average rating of 75, which means total points I got from these 10 people is 750. Go ahead.
then you subtract the 750 from 1700 because we already have those values included in.
So the deficit of 1950 is supposed to, सही लिखा है क्या? हाँ. 1950 should come from people 11 to 20 वाला जो ग्रुप है उसमें ये टोटल आना चाहिए 1950.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So the maximum value between the 12th and the 20th one would be 100. So,
Since इसको मिनिमाइज करना है, इसको मिनिमम स्कोर देना है, तो ये मिनिमम तब पॉसिबल होगा जब इन सबको मैक्सिमाइज करना है. लेट्स मैक्सिमाइज ईच वन ऑफ देम एंड लेट्स से that each one of them gave me 100 points. There are 8 such people. 8 into 100, I got 8 9. Sorry. 9 such people, 9 people giving me 100 points each. Total, I've got 900 points. 900 points from them. Total चाहिए 950 points. From these 11 people, I need 950 points. 900 आ गया 12 to 20. So the minimum score possible for 11th person is 50. Answer is 50. क्योंकि 950 चाहिए था, 900 इनसे आ गया, बचा हुआ 50. Varshini, Anirudh, Caleb, what happened? Why didn't you answer this?
I didn't point out the question, so that's why I did not solve it very well.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. I'll sort it out.
Okay.
Maybe I'll note it down.
You have a doubt?
No, I'm saying I'll maybe like sort it out and note it down. It's almost
Okay.
clear.
Okay. So guys, I think this is the time when we can take a small break. You guys want a break? So we do a 5 minutes break, 3:52 by my watch, 3:57, we meet again. Thank you. Okay, guys, so let's start. I hope you are back. We don't have that luxury कि लंबा break ले सके ज़्यादा. Kargar, please put on your video. बंदी क्यों किया video? Question number 12. From your book, question number 12. Excellent problem. Very good problem. Question number 12. So what we will do is we will solve this particular problem together. I'm going to do with you. And I will request Kshitij Mittal to read this problem loudly. It's there on your screen now. Yes, Kshitij. आप book से पढ़ सकते हो, Kshitij.
Scores on Tuesday's history test result. The scores on Tuesday's history test for 16 students are shown in the table above. Sam, who was the only student absent on Tuesday, will take the test next week. If Sam receives a score of 95 on the test, what will be the median score for the test?
Remember, median पूछा है. This is where we make first mistake, where हम इसको mean assume कर लेते. Median पूछा है. The good thing is, if you look at this table, this is already arranged descending order में, ऊपर से नीचे, isn't it? This is already arranged, so job is done. This guy got a score of 95. How many people are there? 16. Sam आ जाता है. They become 17 now. Which place will give me median? कौन से place में मिलेगा median? 9th. The 9th value in an ordered set will give me median. तो 9th मिलेगा. तो ये देखो Sam आएगा 95 पे, तो 95 पे 2 + 1 3 हो जाएंगे. Let's look at this. I'll have first person here, 3 here. तो total हो गए 4. 4 और हो गए 8. नहीं, हाँ 8. सॉरी, मैं इसको अनडू करता हूं. अगर आप देखेंगे 1 + 3 cumulatively there are 4 entries now. 4 + 4 cumulatively 8. The 9th person will be here. So the median score will be 85. बोलिए, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here? Please ask me. This is a 15-second problem. Done, guys? आगे बढ़ सकते हैं? Other than क्षितिज and अनिरुद्ध, बाकी सब कॉपी में देख रहे हैं. बताओ मुझे क्या समझ में नहीं आया. Stop share. Is there anything where I can help you? Varshni, Abhyuday, Ishan, Nandini, clear? Nidhini, sorry, clear?
No, I'm just going through the question again.
Okay, maybe I went too fast then. So I'll do this once again. Tuesday, history test, 16 students have given, their scores are given. Sam was absent, he gave it some other day, he got a score of 95. They are asking now what will be the median score. If Sam writes this test, we'll have 17 students. If there are total 17 entries and they are in order, 100 से लेके 60 तक score जा रहा है, already descending order में score arranged है. Sam यहाँ पे आएगा 95 पे, फिर there'll be 3 people now, 2 + 1. So 17 people, 9th score, 9th value in an ordered set will give me median. So 9th value कहाँ पे होगा? First value, 3 more values, total 4 values, 4 values, total 8 values. The 9th score is this. This one will give me the 9th score, which is 85. Hence, median after Sam writes the test will be 85.
Okay.
Mohana, Varshni,
Yeah, sir.
what do you say?
85.
Done? Now you'll do one on your own of similar nature, and I want you to solve question number 13. इसके लिए I am giving you time. Please solve this. 1 full minute. Question number 13. Nothing to calculate, simple logical reasoning का problem है ये. Mean, median, mode. Then the noon temperature for city D could be any of the following except correct. Very good. Very good. Yes. This was for all 3 of you. Chinmay, Nidhini, Kim. Very good. Calibrating. And my Khargar team. Okay, Kshitij. Announce.
D.
Delhi. So Ishan, Caleb, Anirudh, Abhyuday, Mohana.
सर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने के बाद
Sorry, dear.
असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने के बाद डी लग रहा है सर.
Ascending order में अरेंज करने के बाद ऑप्शन डी आ रहा है. क्या बोल रहा है क्षिति जी?
फीलिंग आ रहा है कि डी आंसर होगा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करने के बाद.
फीलिंग है ऐसा उसका? I cannot do anything about your feeling. Let's talk about mathematics. आप तो है ना कैलकुलेट करके मुझे बताओ डी कैसे. थैंक गॉड ये बोर्ड एग्जाम नहीं है, वरना तुम वहां स्टेप्स की जगह लिखते माय फीलिंग्स. पर फीलिंग करेक्ट है अभ्युदय. चलो लेट मी टेल यू योर फीलिंग इज करेक्ट. नाउ यू विल हैव टू डिफेंड डी. सही बोल रहे हो तुम. डी कैसे आएगा ये बताना है आपको. यस अनिरुद्ध. ओके ओके. So Anirudh, we'll start this with you. खड़े होके आगे आ जाओ टीवी के पास. खड़े हो अनिरुद्ध. अनिरुद्ध नहीं सॉरी, वो ये हमारा फीलिंग वाला बच्चा अभ्युदय खड़े हो. Come closer to the television so that I hear you clearly. मुझे क्षितिज को छोड़ के और किसी की आवाज उतनी क्लियरली आती नहीं है, इसलिए क्लोज आओ और खड़े हो जाओ जहां पे बैठे हो वहीं पे खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ खड़े हो वहां पे. And let's talk about this problem. ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ जो स्क्रीन पे है इसको रीड करो and we'll do it together. चलो.
A table above shows the moon temperatures for 7 cities.
7 cities.
Designated A through G.
Correct.
If the median noon temperature of these cities is 40 degrees Fahrenheit, when the noon temperature for city, then the noon temperature of city D could be any of the following except.
तो मतलब क्या नहीं पॉसिबल है वो बताना है. मीडियन इज ऑलरेडी गिवन एज 40. अभ्युदय.
Yes.
हाउ मेनी सिटीज आर देयर? 7. सो इन एन ऑर्डर्ड सेट कौन से प्लेस पे मिलेगा मुझे मीडियन? फोर्थ. तो इसका मतलब दिस इज एट फोर्थ प्लेस.
Yes.
क्योंकि 40 एक ही है यहाँ पे लकीली. So let's say we are doing ascending order. जैसे तुमने बोला ascending order पे जाते हैं. So ये अगर मैंने 1 रखा, ये मैंने 2 रखा, 40 से नीचे और कोई वैल्यू है? नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब 40 से नीचे ही होना चाहिए टी को, because I need 3 values below 40. Because अगर ये मीडियन है तो इसको 4th प्लेस पे होना है. अगर इसको 4th प्लेस पे होना है तो 40 से नीचे 3 वैल्यू होना चाहिए. I have only 2 values in the data set below 40. So T should be below 40. It could be any of these, but this is not possible. So they are asking which is not possible. This is not possible. Answer is T. Bolo Abhyuday. Okay, dear. Chalo, thank you. You can go back to your place. So guys, we go ahead. अब है ना थोड़ा सा सिलेक्टेड करते हैं. मैं चाहता हूँ ये प्रॉब्लम करें आप. दिस कम्स फ्रॉम एन ओल्ड SAT पेपर. So this is a real SAT problem and this is on your screen now. SAT challenge problem 1. ये वाला करो. This is a grid-in question है ये. तो आपको आंसर टाइप करके मुझे भेजना है. Maximum allowed symbols are 4. 4 सिंबल से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए आपके आंसर. 1 full minute. Fact challenge question 1. Very good. Nidini, we still have some more time. Please relook into your solution. So, Chinmay, you have got it right. Very good. अच्छा निहित तुमने अभी ज्वाइन किया है हमको?
हाँ अभी जो ज्वाइन किया.
Okay, so this is like the fag end of the class. So patiently देखो जितना भी समझ में आता है. Then we will talk after the class.
Yeah.
Kshitij, he has got his answer. और कौन? Anirudh, I see he has raised his hand. Kshitij, Anirudh. So Anirudh, first you please announce.
0.
Okay, Kshitij. क्षितिज जोर से बोलो. 0. ठीक है. Kim correct. Caleb waiting for you. Ishan, Abhyuday, Mona, Varshni, Caleb. So let's do this together and Kshitij Mittal will do this for us. चलो क्षितिज बताओ कैसे करना है. पहले रीड करो क्वेश्चन को.
The number of telephone lines in each country in Central America and the Caribbean is shown above in a dot dot. The number of telephone lines in each country has been rounded to the nearest to 50,000. According to the dot dot, what is the median number of telephone lines?
What is the median number of telephone lines is what they are looking for. I've lost my mouse here. Wait, hold. Median number of telephone lines ढूंढना है. Okay, चलो कैसे करना है क्षितिज? Guide me, I'll do this.
Count करो कितना total lines.
Count the number of countries we have because each dot is a country, right, Kshitij? Bolo? Each dot is a country, so I'll count the number of dots. Here I'll have 16 dots. Here I'll have 5 dots. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. So if I count them 1 and 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 5, 12, 28. So there are 28 data points, countries, dots, whatever you call them. I have to find the median number of telephone lines. This is already arranged, guys. अगर आप देखो तो ये already ascending order में ही arranged है. ये arrow नीचे जा रहा है, but this is ascending order. 0 telephone line, 250,000 telephone line, 500,000 telephone line, and so on. 1,000 telephone lines, 1,250,000 telephone line, and so on. You already arranged the ascending order. Yes, Kshitij.
Sir, so median is the middle value. तो अगर लोग
28 arranged है, इसका middle value निकालेंगे तो आएगा 14th place पे जो country है and 15th place पे जो country है in this ascending order, इन दोनों का average, right? तो 14th place पे ये रहा country, let's say 15th place पे ये रहा country. इनका value क्या है? 0,000 telephone lines. 15th is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Divided by 2 is 0. Answer is 0. Median of this data set is 0.
Can you repeat because I did not understand what you did after finding out the median?
What I did after finding out what?
The median for number of countries.
That's it. Median ढूंढने के बाद I did nothing because median ही ढूंढना था. You
Oh,
tell
so
me.
you counted the number of countries 28
हाँ,
and
ये कहाँ से आया? ये समझ में आ गया 28 कहाँ से आया?
that we just counted the dots, right? Because
yes, so I have so many countries or so many data points. This is already arranged. If you look at this line x-axis, this is arranged. All countries with 0 telephone lines, all countries with 250,000 telephone lines, 500, 750, this is already arranged. Now, if I have 28 countries and if I have to find median, so the rule says if I have even number of data points, then median will be n by 2h value का average wage n by 2 plus 1th value. So n by 2 is 14th value I'll have to pick. I'll have to pick n by 2 plus 1 15th value, take their values and find the average. The country at 14th value has 0 telephone line. ये देखो यहाँ पे 0 telephone line. Country with 15 at 15th position is also 0 telephone lines. So their average will also be 0. So median for these 28 data points is 0 telephone lines.
Okay.
This came on SAT paper. So ये आप लोगों ने कर लिया है. I want you to solve question number 14 now. 1-4. Maybe last problem and then we go to surveys. Question number 14 from your book, calculator allowed. Hello guys, let's see. I give you 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. Okay, Chinmay, let's see. Beautiful problem. This is like the pinnacle of all. क्षितिज हो गया?
Yes, sir.
मोहना आपका भी हो गया? आप दोनों क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं?
हो गया, sir.
So you are taking advantage of me not being physically present there.
Oh, I got the answer.
So please announce your answer.
I think it's C.
A, B, C, D.
C, C.
C for Calcutta?
Yeah.
C for Calcutta, okay. Yatij Mittal?
A.
A. So I request both of you to rework and look into your steps.
Sir, is the answer B?
No, I'll not answer that. You give me your answer. Don't ask me what is the answer.
B.
B. B for Bombay, right? ठीक है, देखते हैं अभी देखते हैं. देखो मैं एसएटी में डिस्कशन इसलिए नहीं करने देता हूं आप लोगों को आपस में, बिकॉज वो एसएटी पेपर वाले दिन फिर बहुत मिस करोगे आप लोग एक दूसरे को. वहां तो वो लोग डिस्कशन करने नहीं देंगे और आप लोगों को बिना डिस्कशन के आंसर निकालना नहीं आएगा. So no discussions. Chalo, let's do this together. So I've got some answers in chat as well. Chinmay, निधिनी, आपने है ना आज बहुत बार मुझे दो आंसर दिए, this or this, ऐसा चॉइस नहीं होता है. And Kim, and these are different answers. So A, B, C are, हाँ ये सभी दें.
I resolved it and I can't change my answer.
Please change. बताओ जल्दी बोलो. A.
Maybe.
Okay, so I put everything to rest now. Let's go to my whiteboard and one of you can help me solve this. You decide who is helping me solve this. I think I should help myself. Let's do this. Number of siblings 0, 1, 2, 3. Number of students. So there are 3 students with no siblings. Ye data ka interpretation hai. There are 6 students with 1 sibling each. There are 2 students who have 2 siblings each. There's 1 student who has 3 siblings. Now the question says, and Kim, if you can read the problem for me.
Yes, sir. The table above shows how many students in a class of 12 preschoolers had 0, 1, 2, or 3 siblings. Later, a new student joined the class and the average arithmetic mean number of siblings per student became equal to the median number of siblings per new student. How many siblings did the new student have?
Okay, so guys, this is the data that I have. Total 12 students were there. Then there's a new student who arrives in and we want to find out this new student who comes in, what is the number of siblings, how many siblings this guy has. This is what we have to find. So anybody can take initiative. You can tell me. So agar main dekhunga, 0 sibling, 3 students. So 0 into 3, total 0 siblings. 6 students having 1 sibling each, total 6 siblings. 2 into 2, 4 siblings. 1 into 3, total 3 siblings. So I can say total number of siblings that this class has is 6 plus 4 plus 3, 13. So I'll say, let's say mean old is total number of siblings divided by total number of students. Whereas median old will be, now there are 12, so 6th value pe jo bacha hai, 6th, I'll have 3 here and 6th wala bacha will be here and 7th wala bacha will also be here. I'll have 3 students here, 4, 5, 6 will also be here because there are total 9 students. So 6th bhi yahin pe hoga, 9th bhi yahin pe hoga. These are already arranged. So median will be 1. So old median is 1 and this is old mean. There is a new students who joined in. Ab wo naya wala bacha aaya. Total number of students are 13. What will be my new median? Let me find out that. If I have 13 kids, then the middle value, which will be the 7th value, will give me median. No matter where the new kids join in, 7th value will always be here. Because 3 plus 6, total 9 ho raha hai. वो कहीं पे भी आए, ऊपर आए, नीचे आए. The new median will, or the 7th value will always have 1 sibling. So new median will be 1. Old median is 1, new median is 1. They say that your new mean and your new median, they become equal, which means median is equal to mean. Total बच्चे हो गए 13. अब अगर इसको 1 होना है, number of siblings should not change. 13 का 13 ही रहना चाहिए numerator, because denominator तो 1 से बढ़ेगा. 12 plus 1 हो गया है, which means the new entrant will have how many siblings?
0.
0 is the answer. Which is option?
A.
A is correct. A is absolutely correct. So all those who got A, you guys deserve a good round of applause. This was not that easy. Chinmay, Nidini and Kim, clear hua? Did you realize your mistake?
Yeah.
Now let me talk to all of you once again, face to face, teet. Okay, batao. Anyone is here jisko samajh mein nahi aaya hai, wants me to repeat something? Need Varshini clear? Abhyuday, B से A पे आ गए थे आप, है ना?
हाँ, वो मैं बाद में solve किया फिर समझ.
ठीक है. Ishan, are you following बेटे? Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Nihit se I'll talk later. Caleb, any help required? Is this thing clear? This is beautiful application and only couple of you got it right. So that's what I say, practice more. I'll give you 10 seconds and we come down to a problem which is on your screen. Ye aapke book mein bhi hai, if you want to do this book wala problem. You can look into your book. Question number 15, read it और उसके साथ साथ read the options, take 30 seconds and send your answers. Very, very simple problem. Real SAT. Which of the following cannot affect the value of median? Eleven different numbers. Sixth value gives you median. Chetan Mittal, please announce the answer. Haji?
Delhi.
Okay. Kim? Chinmay? Announce your answer. D. D. Any other answer, guys? Any other answer other than D? So rather than 11, you take 3 values. You see A, B, C. If you do anything to A, B, C, your median ka value will change. But you increase the largest number and you go on increasing as much as you want. Nothing will happen to median. But if you change each number, if you double each number, value will change. If you increase each number by 10, of course, value of median will also change. If you increase the smallest number, you don't know where it will go. वो increase होके second बनता है, largest बनता है, sixth बनता है. You don't know because increase का quantum नहीं दिया है और वो दिया भी हो तो values नहीं दिए हैं. So if you increase smallest number, it may change median. I'm saying may. But if you do the 10th D option, no matter what you do to the largest number, value of median will never change. Another 30 seconds to solve this question. Question number 25 from your book. Real SAT मैंने image वहीं से crop किया है. In the figure, what is the median of slope? OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. Median of slope. तो ये 5 लाइन है. Slope पता होना चाहिए क्या होता है? M y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Tan theta of the line, gradient of the line. Very good. क्यों लग रहा है बाकी लोगों को इतना टाइम? करेक्ट किम? अरे क्या कैलकुलेट कर? देयर इज नथिंग टू कैलकुलेट. मुझे ये बताओ OA, OB, OC, OD, OE मीडियन निकालना है. कौन सी लाइन से मीडियन मिलेगा? कुछ भी कैलकुलेट नहीं करना, सिर्फ देख के आंसर आ जाएगा. कौन सी लाइन देगा मीडियन? प्लीज अनाउंस, जोर से बोलो. OC यू मीडियन. जो भी स्लोप OC का होगा, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी इन एन ऑर्डर. इनका स्लोप अगर आप देखोगे कम होता जा रहा है. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE they are already arranged. फिगर में ही दिख रहा है. So I have to only worry about slope for OC. OC का स्लोप निकाल लो. OC का स्लोप दिख रहा है. y2 minus y1 0 minus 3 या 3 minus 0 3 upon x2 minus x1 4 minus 0 3 by 4. ऑप्शन नंबर C. बस हो गया सॉल्व. हो गया? आ गया समझ में? Thank you. This is where I'll put an end to mean median mode. I will solve one box and whisker plot. हमने एक भी नहीं किया, sorry. तो box and whisker plot पे आते हैं. I want you to solve on your book question number, जो बताता हूँ. Question number 35. खान Academy, क्यों इतने हंसने की क्या बात है? Question number 35, Khan Academy level 4 का question है ये. Please solve करो. Question 35, Khan Academy level 4. थर्टी सेकेंड्स का क्वेश्चन है ये. Nihit, I have not done box and whisker plot with you, so maybe this figure will look alien as of now. तो थोड़ा सा वेट करना.
Yes, sir.
Correct, Chinmay. Very good. Yes, Kshitij, please announce. Okay, hold. Yes, Mohana. Okay, Anirudh. Okay. Correct, Kim. Nidini, what happened? Caleb, what happened? Yes, correct. Caleb, correct. Answer is indeed option D. Any doubt? अगर किसी को doubt है तो मुझसे पूछो, हम इसको discuss करेंगे. ईशान, अभ्युदय, Nidini. Otherwise, I'll go ahead. Unmute and ask.
I did not understand how it is option D.
By the similar logic, वो जो हमने आपका farm pumpkin वाला किया था वैसा ही सही question है. देखो, I'll read it for you. The box plot suggests that about 25% of gyms in Sainsville have more than what number of gym members? About 25. So ये जो last quartile है, मुझे ये देखना है. Because this is about 25% people. They have gyms have member more than what number? This is 70. Because 68 or 70 के बीच में एक division है. So 25% of gyms have more than 70 members. Nidini?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. One more problem. From box and whisker plot and real SAT, which is question number 37 on your book. Question number 37. Hold. क्षितिज रुको. मैं पूछता हूँ. अभी रुको. Five number summary is nothing but box and whisker plot. वही है वो. Minimum, median, Q1, Q3, max सब कुछ दिया है. They are asking how many high outliers are there in the data set. High outliers.
Sir, which question did you give? I got this one.
We are doing 37.
Okay.
9.137. Question is talking about Sal's collection of albums. You'll have to calculate something. एकदम से नहीं आएगा वो. Okay, Anirudh, hold up with your answer. I'll talk to you. Correct, Chinmay. I think it's time now. Let's discuss this. Guys, shall we? Correct. Nidini, correct. Okay, I'm doing an open house now. So I start with Abhyuday. We start with you first. Batao, please announce your answer. Sorry. B, Bombay. Anirudh? B. Kshitij Mittal?
B.
Okay. Ishan and Varshni are doing this. Kim, Caleb? Varshni? Option B is correct. If you, yes, Caleb, correct. So anybody who wants me to solve this, please let me know. Answer aa raha hai B. Kim? Are you getting B as your answer? Option B?
I got D as first.
D.
Yeah.
Oh, then we should solve this. Chalo, I'll do this quickly. Aa jao is pe. Dot plot on the left shows number of songs on each album. In Sal's collection, each dot represents a different album. Left bottom is 5 number summary या box and whisker plot भी बोलते हैं. For this data, according to 1.5 IQR rule for outlier, how many high outlier are there in the data set? 1.5. तो सबसे पहले IQR निकालते हैं. IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 13. Q1 is 9. So IQR is 4. 1.5 times 4 is 6. High outlier निकालना है. Q3 plus 6. Okay, is 19. So इसके ऊपर अगर कोई भी data point है तो वो outlier होगा. How many albums are above this? There's only one such album. Answer is option B. Kim?
I got it.
Okay. So this is where we come to end of our class, guys. But let me be in the spotlight. We have finished it in time and almost एकदम हमने by clock we have finished it. But there's one small topic left and it's going to take me minimum 20 minutes. So I give you a choice. Don't look sad. There's a choice that you have. Choice is we break right now and आज की class यहीं खत्म करें. That's choice 1. And whenever we meet next, if we meet next, we do this. Otherwise उदय सर के साथ करेंगे. But ये हो जाएगा. या तो मैं करूँगा या उदय सर करेंगे. हम surveys वाला part करेंगे. Or I'll seek some other time from you guys and take 20 minutes and complete that part. Or we do it right now and we extend 20 minutes. But choice is with you. एक और काम कर सकते हैं. If you guys are running into your Diwali holidays और आपको लगता है कि अभी schools, colleges, coachings नहीं है and हम 26th के बाद if you guys give me common date तो हम उस दिन भी एक class रख के और आधा घंटा लेके ये topic खत्म कर सकते हैं. क्या करना है?
सर उसी दिन करते आना करता है अलग से.
अभी देख क्या बोल रहे हो?
अलग से लेकर करते आज बाहर जाने से.
हाँ वो और सिद्धेश मित्तल भी कितना खुश हो रहा है तुम्हारे रिस्पॉन्स से. मुझे ना सिद्धेश सब समझ में आ रहा है. तो हाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज यू गाइस हैव चॉइस. यू कैन बी वेरी फ्रैंक विद मी. सो ठीक है, वी विल कॉल इट अ डे राइट नाउ. मुझे ये बताओ स्कूल की छुट्टियां कब तक हैं? कुछ ऐसा डे है क्या 26th के बाद जब हम क्लास ले सकते हैं एक्स्ट्रा हाफ एन आवर? इज इट पॉसिबल? सो आई विल गो राउंड बाय राउंड. आई विल टॉक फर्स्ट टू जो मुझे स्क्रीन पे पहले दिख रहा है. नीदिनी, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Have holidays till 26.
You have holidays till 26th only. तो खत्म हो गया पहले में. So we are not doing this during Diwali और उसके बाद ऐसा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. आगे बात करके मतलब नहीं है. We will do it on some class with Uday sir. I'll borrow half an hour from him, or that class would be for 2.5 hours. तब मैं आपके साथ सर्विस करूँगा. I'm done for the day. Wish you a very Shubh Deepavali. Enjoy. Have lots of sweets, and if your state permits, do burn a lot of crackers. Because I am right now in a state which is Madhya Pradesh. हमारे यहाँ कोई रोक टोक नहीं है. I'm not in Delhi जहाँ पे पटाखे नहीं फोड़ सकते. So enjoy and have a very good Deepavali. Take a lot of blessings from your elder ones and enjoy yourself, guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Subhash.
Thank you,
Happy
sir.
Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Need you wait and
Yeah.
rest of you can leave.